Hey guys, just a quick video here. Just let me show you something. Since we focus more on Angular, although we have other things in the channel, we need to keep going with the new versions. So you can see we have here Angular 9.0.3 around, okay, or above this version. So let me show you how you can upgrade or update your Angular CLI. So first of all, if you don't have Angular, what you can do is just install Node.js and then run npm install -g at Angular CLI and you will get the latest version. Then you will be able to create any application that you want using Angular. Now, the other way is again just to uninstall the Angular CLI. So with every new version, you have commands that Angular provides you in order to upgrade from one application, okay, Angular 7, let's say, to Angular 8. So, but you need to be careful with that since you will have some mismatches, some problems with the code, and unless you really need to upgrade to the latest technology, um, you don't need to. If you have some small applications, I don't know, for a small business that doesn't require to have all the cutting edge technology, then you can just leave it be. But of course, since we want to keep up with everything that is going on, we need to upgrade our technologies that we have on our computer. Okay, so in order to do this, well, as I showed you, you can just install this if you don't have it, or the other way is just to uninstall using npm uninstall -g Angular CLI. So let me show you, I already did this. So yeah, this was my version. Now what I did is just say npm uninstall -g Angular CLI. Then they tell you to run npm cache clean or npm cache verify. So what I did is to run npm cache clean, but this doesn't work because it does this automatically. Now let me just go back, and after this we install using npm install -g Angular CLI latest, the latest CLI. Okay, well, here you will get a version. I hope the most recent version, but if not, you will run this command, as I said, npm install -g Angular CLI at latest, that you can see here, and it's going to take a bit, but you will finally get Angular CLI 9.6 in this case. And I missed my command here, so you can see the Angular version or the ng version which I'm running now is the 9.6, 9.0.6, compared to the version that I had that it was Angular 9.0.4. Okay, so that's how you can upgrade your CLI to the latest version. And at the end, when you create a new application, you can just check your package.json, this is where we are, and verify that you are running a certain version, in this case the version 9.0.3 or above. So everything that is going to be installed here for the other person that tries the repository, he will get at least this version 9.0.3. Okay, so this is a version on which we are going to work because I created this for a tutorial, Angular internationalization. Okay, so I still need to do a few things in order to get that ready because I built this to make it look kind of, it's just a simple text, some simple text that is going to I need to go to create a CSS for this just to look good so I can practice my design skills. So yeah, if you want me to show you how to do this in Adobe XD, feel free to tell me. And if not, just wait for me to finish this, and I hope I can get that next week or well, around Tuesday or Thursday. So yeah, and that's it. We officially start with Angular 9, and see you in the next one.